Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 9 of the chapter mensuration. In this part 9, we will continue solving the exercise questions of 11.3. We solved the question number 1 of exercise 11.3 in our previous session. So today we will continue from the question number 2. You are going to watch this video on February 2021. Moving on to the question number 2. A suitcase with measures of 80 centimeter by 48 centimeter by 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? So you might have seen a suitcase cover which completely is overlapping on the surface areas of a suitcase. A suitcase with these measures clearly tells that it's a cuboid. Now, in the solution of this, first you need to find total surface area of a one suitcase. As it is a shape of cuboid, we need to find using the formula 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL, where L is known to us as 80 centimeter, B is 48 centimeter and H is 24 centimeter. On substitution, we have 2 times of 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. Now, on multiplication, we have 80 into 48 is 3840 plus 48 into 24 is 1152. Next, product of 24 and 80 is 1920, and further adding these three numbers gives you 6912, and multiplying by 2 will give the total surface area of one suitcase as 13,824 centimeter square. You know now the cloth required to cover one suitcase, whereas if you want to find the surface area of 100 such suitcases, you need to multiply this number with the 100. Therefore, TSA of 100 suitcases is 13,824 into 100, which gives 13,824,00, means 13,82,400 centimeter square, being the total surface area of 100 such suitcases. Now moving on further, we need to find how many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required. Let the length of the tarpaulin cloth required is n centimeters, okay, that we are assuming. Let the length of the cloth length of the tarpaulin cloth is n meters. Now, if it is of n meters and width is of 96 or n centimeters, let's take instead of meters n centimeters. Now, if width is of 96 centimeters, then their product is the area of it. Let us take another slide. Therefore, area of the cloth, tarpaulin cloth, is n into 96 centimeter square, and let the it is AREA, the area of the cloth used for 100 suitcases is n into 96 centimeters, but it is given as TSA of that 100 suitcases as 13,82,400. So n into 96 should be equated to 13,82,400, and now n is equals to 13,82,400. Let me take that 100 as separately, like I'm multiplying 13,824 into 100, and this 96 comes and divides. On simplification, 4 25s are 4 24s are. Further, here this cancellation I can do 24 cancels with this, and you can like first 4 6 are, it is 4 3s are 12, and 1 comes here 18, 4 4 just 16, 2 comes here, 4 5s are 20, and rest 2 comes here, so that becomes 24, and 6 are, so 3,456. And further, if you dividing 6 1s are 6, 5s are 30, 4 comes here 40, 5. So 4 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 42, 3 comes here, so 6 6 are. Now we are having product of 576 and 25, giving you 14,400 centimeter. Now if you convert it into meters, how to convert also dividing it by 100. So it becomes 144 meter as the length of, therefore the quantity of, or the length of the toppling required is 144 meter. This is how we present the working steps. Okay, moving on to the third question. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is general nothing but TSA. Surface area is 600 centimeter square. You know, TSA of a cube is found with the formula 6 times of L square, but that is given as 600 centimeter square. Now by solving this equation, 6 which is multiplying, L square comes this side and divides. It becomes 600 divided by 6, which is 100. Therefore L square equals to 100. Now square of L is 100, therefore L is equals to square root of 100, nothing but 10 centimeter is the length of this. Therefore the side of the cube is 10 centimeter. Okay, now moving on to the fourth question. Ruksa painted the outside of the cabinet of measures 1 meter by 2 meter by 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? Here is the figure. In this cuboid box, 1 meter breadth, 2 meter length, 1.5 meter of height. She has painted outside, which means surfaces. She didn't paint on the bottom. That means either you can find TSA and subtract the area of the bottom, or find LSA and add the area of top. Both are same. Here, how means either you calculate TSA minus area of the bottom, or find LSA, add area of the top. Both are same. Area of the top. Okay, you know both bottom and top are of area L into B. Okay, and choice is yours. Moving on to the, I'll go with LSA adding to the area of the top. You know, here since it is a cuboid, LSA of cuboid is 2 times of L plus B into height. Okay, or you can remember it as perimeter of the base into height. Okay, here L is 2 meter, B is 1 meter, H is 1.5 meter. So 2 times of 1, 2 plus 1 into 1.5. You know 2 into 1.5 is 3, 3 into 3 is 9 meter square is the LSA, and area of the top, which is L into B, is nothing but 2 into 1 gives 2 meter square. Thus area area of the box that got painted is 9 plus 2, 11 meter square. This is how we solve this question. Moving on to the question number 5. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively, from which can of paint 100 meter square of area is painted. Means he is using a can containing some quantity of paint, where with that we can paint 100 meter squares area. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? So you have to find now number of cans that required. Okay, first coming to the area of the room that to be painted. Okay, area of the room or area of the places that to be painted. Okay, area of the walls of the room and ceiling that to be painted. It is equals to, see, he is painting or she is painting 4 walls, that means LSA, and along with that she is painting ceiling, that means same LSA plus area of ceiling. See children, LSA means area of the walls, area of 4 walls. Here we are given that L as 15 meter, B as 10 meter, H as 7 meters. See, due to the space lacking, I am writing only few working steps. You know how to present it, write properly the giving in the prior to this step. So LSA is 2 times of L plus B into height plus area of the ceiling is L into B. By substitution, 15 plus 10 into 7 plus 15 into 10. Here 2 into 15 plus 10 is 25 into 7 plus 15 tens is 150, which is nothing but 25 2s are 50, 50 7s are 350. So 350 plus 150 gives you 500 meter square as the area of the room that to be painted. You know, here with one paint can we can paint 100 meter square. How many we require to paint 500 meter square is very clearly 5 paint box. You know, a simple like a unitary method we can use for. So therefore the number of paint cans required is 500 upon 100, as we have 100 meter square that can be painted out of one can, then 5 such cans are required to paint for 500 meter square. Okay, this is how it has come. Okay, moving on to the question number 6. Question number 6, describe how the figures at the right are like and how they are different. Let me show you the figures. Here is the first figure, you know what it is, and here is the next figure. See children, we need to describe how are they same, similarity, how are they different, means difference. First, I'll come to the similarity. What are they? First of all, one is cylinder, another one is cube. Okay, but both are of same height, so that is a similarity. Okay, both are of same height. Then what is the difference? They are not same solids. Okay, one is cylinder, the other is cube. Okay, this is the difference. Which box has larger lateral surface area? That means we have to find LSA of cylinder, which we normally call as CSA, and we even have to find LSA of cube. It is easy to find LSA of cube, okay, with the formula 4 times of L square. Because of 4 walls, they are of shape square, so L square is the area of 1 square, and 4 such walls, 4 into L square. So 4 into 7 square, 4 into 49, 49 fours are, so somewhere 196 centimeter square product. Now, what is LSA of cylinder, or CSA normally called? 2 pi r h. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 centimeter. No, it is not 7 centimeter. Here r is 7 by 2 centimeters. Why? Because diameter is 7. So 7 by 2 centimeters into height is again 7 centimeters. Now this 7 cancels with this 7, and this 2 cancels with this 2. Now we are left with the product as 22 sevens. 22 sevens is 154 centimeter square. Now you compare. So amongst them, which box has larger? Okay, which box has larger? You can now conclude. Therefore, the cube box has larger area, okay, or larger LSA. This is how you can conclude, because 196 is more. Okay children, with this I will wind up today's session. In our next session, we'll continue from the question number 7 onwards of this exercise 11.3. Okay, till then, take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you.